Go home happy with the 2017 Lincoln Continental. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this exceptional Lincoln Continental, the full-size luxury sedan that blends elegance of design with upscale interior and smooth performance to create a superlative passenger experience. Don't cut corners when it comes to comfort. You deserve the best. Get behind the wheel of this luxurious Continental. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.
Get ready for a dealership experience that actually feels good. At Avondale Nissan, trust, energy, and community drive everything we do. Our team is packed with passionate, highly trained professionals who know cars and know how to take care of you. Whether you're shopping for your next ride or stopping in for service, our Nissan certified technicians keep your vehicle performing at its best. From quick oil changes to major repairs, done right the first time. And when it comes to pricing, we keep it real. Upfront, honest, and online so you can shop your way. Fast and stress-free. That transparency is why customers continue to come back year after year. At Avondale Nissan, you're not just a customer. You're family. We bring the energy, the service, and the commitment to earn your trust every single visit. Avondale Nissan, your dealership, your community, your family.